This is lesson 6.4, absolute value. In this video you will learn to find the absolute value of numbers and use the absolute value to compare numbers in real life situations. In words, the absolute value of a number is the distance between the number and zero on a number line. The absolute value of a number A is written as that number between two straight bars. In numbers, you can see, we have a number line here. The absolute value of -2 is the distance between -2 and 0 on the number line, which is 2 units. And the absolute value of 2 is the distance between 0 and 2 on the number line, which is 2 units. Example 1, Part A. Find the absolute value of 3. So we're going to show this on a number line because I want you to see what it actually means. We're going to plot 3 on a number line. And remember, absolute value means the distance between that number and 0. So we're going to find the distance from 0. It's 1, 2, 3. So the absolute value of 3 is 3. Part B. Find the absolute value of -2.5. So I'm going to draw another number line. And right here is -2.5. And the distance between 0 and that number, -2.5, is 1, 2.5 units. So the absolute value of -2.5 is 2.5. Example 2. Let's compare 2 and the absolute value of -5. So 2 just equals 2. They're not asking for the absolute value. But let's find out the absolute value of -5. So if we look at a number line, here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's -5. The distance between 0 and -5 is 5. So here I have 2 and 5, and in between them, I'm going to put the less than sign. Example 3. The table shows the elevations of several animals. Part A, which animal is the deepest? Okay, to get a better idea of where all these are at as far as sea level goes, I'm going to put these on a vertical number line. It makes more sense to put these on a vertical number line because that's more relative to real life than a horizontal number line would be. So here is 0, which would be sea level. I'm not going to, plot out each individual number and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way up. I'm just going to put these roughly where they should be on here. So right here would be 5, that's sea lion. Above that I know is going to be 56, which is a seagull. So next down I know I'm going to have -4, which is a shark. Below that I know I'm going to have -22, which is a turtle. And then farthest down, I'm going to have -65, which is a shrimp. So the deepest animal is actually the shrimp. Its elevation is -65 feet, and it is the farthest down on the number line. Part B, is the shark or the sea lion closer to sea level? Well, I can look on that number line again, and I'm going to look at the shark, which was at -4, that's right here, and the sea lion, which is 5, and that's right here. Here we're going to bring out that absolute value, and the absolute value tells us how far away they are from 0, which is, in this case, sea level. So the sea lion, we're going to find the absolute value of 5, and for the shark, we're going to find the absolute value of -4. So if we look at the number line, the sea lion is 5 away from sea level, and the shark is 4 away from sea level. So which one is closer to sea level? That's going to be the shark.